Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into a classic, the DJI Mini one. Yes, you heard it right, the first-gen DJI Mini. In 2024, is this drone still worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the price. Back in its heyday, the DJI Mini one was a game-changer for its affordable price and impressive features. Fast forward to now, and it's even cheaper on the second-hand market. But the big question, does it still hold up against the newer models? Now considering the tech specs, the DJI Mini one comes with a 7K camera which, while not 4K, still delivers pretty decent footage. It's lightweight, ultra-portable, and guess what? It still doesn't require registration in most countries due to its sub-250-gram weight. That's a huge plus for casual flyers who just want to get up in the air without much fuss. But here's where it gets interesting. The battery life and the range. The Mini one offers up to 30 minutes of flight time and a range of about 4 kilometers. For most hobbyists, that's more than enough to capture some stunning shots at the local park or on a holiday. However, let's not overlook the advancements in drone tech over the years. Newer models offer enhanced features like obstacle avoidance, better stabilization, and improved image quality. So if you're looking for top-notch specs and the latest features, the Mini one might feel a bit dated. But here's the kicker: the ease of use. The DJI Mini one is incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners or those who aren't looking for professional-grade footage, but want a reliable drone that's easy to fly. It's kind of like that old reliable car that never lets you down, even if it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of newer models. So, wrapping this up, is the DJI Mini one still a good buy in 2024? Well, if you're entering the drone world or you need something straightforward and fun, absolutely. It's affordable, easy to use, and still performs well. However, if you're more into the latest tech and features, you might want to consider newer models. That's it for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.